Hey guys, it's Daisha here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title and kind of the weird way that this video kind of just started, because there was no talking except for like voiceover style, and I kind of just jumped right in to the makeup. So obviously in today's video we are going to be doing a makeup therapy video. So makeup therapy basically is like just a video where I do my makeup and I kind of just talk about how I've been feeling and talk about like mental health and all that good stuff. So sometimes I have another one before this one. Most times I do it when I'm not feeling great or like 100%, and I still want to post and upload and stuff because I have a schedule, and that schedule kind of like makes me have a sense of purpose, because I do have social anxiety and depression, and it's kind of like debilitating. I mean, yes, we are in a pandemic, but even before the pandemic I didn't really work and stuff because it was just like very debilitating and stuff. So setting a schedule, I think it was I want to say like maybe 6 or so months ago, was probably I don't want to say one of the best decisions I ever made in my life, but it was a very big and good decision in my life because, like I said, it gave me a sense of purpose and just a sense of like doing something that I really love and stuff. So usually when I'm doing scheduled uploads like I'm doing and I don't want to miss an upload but I'm not feeling too good, I'll do a makeup therapy or a video that is kind of shorter, if that makes sense. So usually I only post makeup therapies if I'm not feeling good, or like, you know what I mean, I won't just post it for a random reason to talk about nothing, because that's not really the point to me. Kind of the point of this video is to just like get out some feelings and stuff, how I've been feeling, but also doing things that I love to do, which is like makeup and filming and stuff like that. So yeah, I basically just want to talk about how I kind of have been feeling very down and stuff like that, and kind of just in a weird funk. If you have anxiety or like depression, you know, like, I mean, everybody's different, but I'll get really, really down days where I don't really feel like doing anything, or like I don't have the power to like get up and do stuff. So it just is like really hard sometimes. So I'll just like lay in bed, and you kind of know, like, if you stay in that funk, I mean, I know I can't help it and you can't help it, but it just like kind of doesn't help because you're not really like doing anything to help those feelings of like dread and stuff. So basically that's just how I've been feeling. And it's also hard because like I was saying, I love doing YouTube and I like am posting consistently and stuff, and I'm just like very happy kind of with like how my channel is and how I like talk to the camera and like my filming and stuff and my videos and stuff. So there will be times where I feel very, very like just down, and like also like very, very like I don't want to look at myself, and I like feel, because I have very like low self-esteem and stuff, so I feel like self-conscious and I don't want to like look at myself. I don't want other people to look at me and just like all that good stuff. So I mean, not good stuff, but you know what I mean. All that type of stuff. So I'll just like be dreading having to come on and film and stuff. And then like the days where I'm not filming, leading up to the days where I have to post and stuff, I just have this like nagging feeling in the back of my head of like, and also I have this like sort of imposter syndrome feeling, and also like feelings of like not being good enough to do the things that I'm like doing, or do the things that I want to do. That's like a never ending story in my like life. So that kind of is something too that like just sometimes holds me back from wanting to make videos or wanting to like be 100% present and stuff, if that makes sense. So I've been struggling with that recently. I've just kind of been struggling with like the future and stuff, because as you guys know, I mean, obviously it would be a dream to like be able to do YouTube full time and stuff, and that would be amazing. But like I really, really want to be an actress. So like obviously social anxiety and acting are in two different ends of like a line. So like I have to like obviously get my social anxiety under control first, which is something that I am working on in like therapy and stuff, but it's just very hard. But I would like to like go to school for that and just like take steps towards that. But again, it's like that imposter syndrome and like feelings of like not being good enough and all that I was gonna say all that good stuff again. All that type of stuff. So all those thoughts like racing in my head all days are like kind of like hard to like process and stuff. So that's just kind of how I've been feeling. But I still, like I was saying, don't want to miss uploads and stuff. And then there'll be days where I have good days, and I just usually try to film the videos where I'm like talking directly to the camera and stuff, where it's not like voiceover style like this on those days, because obviously I don't want to be like on camera like feeling how I'm feeling, and then my energy's down, and then obviously on top of me already feeling like no one wants to look at me and stuff like that, I don't want to feel like people don't want to listen to me. I mean, I already feel like that, but even more, you know what I mean? If my energy is low, I don't want people to be like, I don't want to say to myself like, okay, no one wants to watch like me when I'm like being miserable and stuff. So anyways, that's just like, those are things that like go through my mind. It's just a bunch of like that type of stuff, and as you can imagine, it's very hard to like even do daily things and stuff like that. I also wanted to talk about not quickly, it's on the same route, but like there's this side of TikTok kind of where it's like people who have debilitating like mental illnesses or whatever, celebrating like small victories, which is like, say you have like really bad debilitating depression and you celebrate like getting up and brushing your teeth or getting up and taking a shower. There's people on Twitter who are like taking those TikToks and like making fun or being like, oh, TikTok's a weird place, which like is weird to me, because it's like people are all for like mental health matters until like it's not pretty or it's not quote unquote acceptable for you, or it's like not like, you know what I mean, like basically pretty to like admit and stuff like that. So I just want to throw this in here, if the only thing you did today was like got up and cooked for yourself, or got up and brushed your teeth, got up and took a shower, got up in general and like went to the bathroom, then I'm proud of you. It's just like very hard to do those things when you really don't even like feel like anything. You kind of just like feel like empty and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm proud of you if you did those things. And also like, I know it's hard to like, if you're an activist for mental health but you don't necessarily have mental health illnesses, that's great and everything, because obviously people who aren't in a certain community, I don't want to put like mental health in a community, but if certain people don't have things that are being an activist for something, obviously that's great. But I just want you guys, if you don't have mental health issues, I don't know if that's the correct term, I hope I'm not like offending anyone, but even if I am, like I have social anxiety, I hope I'm not offending anyone. But even if you don't have something that you struggle with, which most people do, but I mean like in terms of like mental health and stuff, and you're judging people who like are celebrating waking up and being able to brush their teeth and shower, just like try to look at it from their point of view, you know what I mean? And maybe don't judge people so quickly, especially with something you don't understand, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just something that also has been like bugging me just about like social media and stuff like that. It's just like people judging people who are struggling, which never really makes sense to me. But yeah, basically I'm just trying to work on myself and just continue to post and just continue to try to be healthy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.